This is a scrap metal car shell recycling line in China. Workers operate the grabber to put the car shell into the double-shaft shredder. Kowloon Machinery's double-shaft shredder has low speed, high torque and high throughput, designed to efficiently process a wide range of materials. Kowloon Machinery shredders are equipped with planetary reducer and brand motor for highly reliable performance and low maintenance cost. The shredded metal fragments enter the horizontal metal crusher through a conveyor. Driven by a high-speed and high-torque motor, the hammer on the rotor of the metal crusher, in turn, hits the metal compact in the crushing chamber. Under strong impact, the metal compact is torn, hammered, and lumped. These crushed metal pieces pass through the conveyor and pass through the drum magnetic separator to remove black metal, and then after being processed by the sorting equipment, high-quality scrap metal crushing materials with higher purity can be obtained.